Yo guys, what is going on? So basically, you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you today how to get free Google Play gift card codes in 2024. You're going to be able to get a gift card code for Google Play, which you can redeem, and it's going to give you the corresponding balance to spend on anything you want within the Google Play Store. So that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to be using my mobile phone, so just pick up your mobile and just follow the steps that you see here, because yeah, this is definitely something you're going to want to check out if you use Google Play Store. So let me go ahead and record my screen. So as I mentioned, use your mobile phone, go to an internet browser and go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. So copy this web address exactly how I've typed it to go to Wavy Coupons. Now this page has various different categories, as you can see on my screen. So go to the search bar, and in there, just type in Google, and you're looking for the Google Play gift card codes and coupons page. Tap on the page, or you can press see more. There's lots and lots of coupons remaining, and you can see this has also been rated pretty highly. So basically, guys, you can see there is a $100 free Google Play gift card code. It's been verified, and it's pretty much gone viral. There is so many people using this code. So you need to get your personal code. So click on Show Coupon, and this will pop up. So you can see it gives us sort of the beginning of our Google Play code, but we need to unlock the full code. The reason we need to do this is this basically prevents people from stealing every code. Imagine if you could get all of the codes, you just keep pressing it and you're going to get loads. So this just prevents that and makes sure you can only get one code per person. So tap Unlock Code. And you can see it's doing a short process. And then basically, guys, you're going to see a new screen appear with a set of instructions telling you exactly how to get your code. Pretty easy. You just need to complete a couple of free tasks, and like I said, it takes around 5 to 10 minutes, so pretty worth it in my opinion. I don't mind spending 5 to 10 minutes to get a $100 gift card code. So yeah, just follow all of the instructions. Drop a like once you get your code to show people this works. Let's see if we can get 100 likes on the video. And yeah, enjoy, guys. Leave a comment below. Let me know what did you spend your Google Play gift card code on. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.